Everyone, now we have to talk about the Snowflake IPO because I know it's all over the financial media, and this is actually one of Warren Buffett's new tech investments. Actually, before we even get started, I want you to hear this. The average price that the institutional investor got into Snowflake was around $5. The stock IPO'd around the 240 range and traded up. This is the very first day to over 300, I believe 310 per share. So get that. The big players are buying at $5 and are potentially selling to you at 240, 250, 300 bucks. Whew. Is that fair? I don't think so. So Snowflake IPOs, and there's such a demand for growth, anything that is growth, cloud-based tech, people want in. So initially, the stock was going to go public around the 120 range. That 120 range, they kept pushing back to then 140, 150, 160, then 200. Next thing you know, IPOs around 240. 240. So the time that the average Joe, the average Sally can get in and buy Snowflake, you're paying $200+, while the big boys and girls got in at $5. Now, this stock did have some volatility that day. I believe it closed around the 237 range, and the following day was down about 10%, but it's actually holding up around that mid 200, 240, 250 range. And I just can't help to think, how do you buy a stock in the 200s when you know everyone else is in from $5? I just can't. And I know all the big banks and all these firms did the underwriting and are making billions on the deal, but I don't care how much growth this company has. I really don't. And how much future valuation. It is just very hard for the normal investor to buy a stock over $200 when if you were on the inside, you could have got in under $10. All right, everyone.